In Google Classroom, let's look at the Grades tab. You can see you would have all your students and all their assignments across the top. If I click on a particular student, I will see all of the assignments and what is missing, what grades were, what has been turned in. And on the left-hand side here, I can filter returned with grades, or I could click on turned in, or I could look at just what's missing. Now, when I go back, and I want to go back to the grades section, I also want you to notice that if you click on any assignment, you will see that there is a settings wheel. You have to be in a specific assignment to see this, and I am in student work. When I click on that settings wheel, I get the option to copy all grades to Google Sheets, to download all grades as a CSV, and to download only specific grades. I'm going to copy all grades to Google Sheets. So all I have to do is click that. I only have one student in my class, but this would do this for all your students. In your Google Sheet, you will see that it tells you what date you downloaded this. So if you download at another time, the Google Sheet will be renamed with the new date and it will have the updated information. Over here it says the class average. I only have one student, so that also happens to be this particular student's average. And for every assignment, you can see what grade they received. If there's nothing there, that assignment is either missing or has not been returned to the student.